What's up guys? Today I'm showing you this tracked robot chassis I just built, a proper tank-style base that I'm going to use for a much bigger project. Let's check it out. I am going to use it on this robotic arm, which is giving me an insane combination. So, do you like that or not? Now, as for this thing, it's still in progress, so I will show this thing in the next part. So this thing is built up using a plastic and a rubber material. The tracked belt is made using the tire tubes, with a double layer and also the strip line contact on the belts touching to the roller so that the belt won't slip away. Here I have used the N20 gear motor, which is small and powerful. But there's a problem. As you can see, there's a slip between the roller and the belt which dislocated the track. In order to avoid that, I have to replace this bulky roller and also this thing with this brother. So that's how you can eliminate that thing from slipping. In the end of the day, that's all to this thing, and it will be completed by making the another of this type and fix the issues. Thanks for watching.